All right, two things for this trip. Nobody do anything stupid at night when we're on top of the giant rocks there. We'll make her safe. And second, if a bear attacks any one of us, I will jump on that bear and start stabbing it with the knife that we have on top of my backpack. And I would expect the same if a bear was mauling me.
Personally, I've got a bear call down real tight, so I'm gonna kind of call to the bear. I'm gonna calm it down naturally, and then maybe we ride it down. So, tame the bear. We'll see.
Because I just ate a double quarter pounder with cheese, that I'm going to be the first target.
You will be the bear.
So I will lure it away for you guys to run and get safety.
That's
okay?
nice.
Hey, I'm Alan.
Hi, Alan. This is my bag. The bike I'll be riding for the first time in 8 years. Got Alan and Tyler.
Shout out to Maya for the bike rental for Damien. It's a real nice piece, and it's made this possible. Otherwise, we'd be walking and we'd probably die, right? I think so. It's hot.
I agree with everything that was said there.
All right, still biking away. You can see the guys behind me. I shouldn't be doing this because I haven't been on a bike in a long time. Whoa, downhill, hold on. All right, survived that. Taking our first little pit stop here. Nice little beach. Definitely a lot of mosquitoes. Got my classic racket here, just clapping away. So, how's it going so far?
She's going pretty rough trek so far. A little bit into the nitty gritty.
I'm in peak physical condition and
Physical condition?
yeah, you know what? We need a new take on that. We need a new take.
Show the incline. Those calves. Damn. Spicy out here. Morale? 80%?
79.
It's pretty greasy. You can probably see the reflection of the sun on that thing right now. So we finally made it. We took our time because it was pretty grueling with the heavy weight we were doing. We're here, now we're just gonna chill and wait for the sunset. I mean, if you're gonna do a photo shoot on top of the mountain, you gotta bring a set of clothes. We made up to the top of the Sleeping Giant, and we're gonna head back to the dark now. Yep. This was a pretty gnarly trek in the dark. How's it going, Tyler?
Oh, good,
It's pretty rough. I think we're almost there though.
I found it super easy. Barely an inconvenience. Well, we made her back to camp, started a little fire, and I think everybody's pretty happy so far. Eh? Can't even see them, but they're there.
We crushed it.
They are there. All right, we need you guys to vote. Thinking this guy looks like Rey Mysterio. Is that a yes or no?